This is the assembly instruction video for the Euro-style DB24 drawer base cabinet. This cabinet comes in two boxes. The UF contains all the panels and hardware for the cabinet body, and the other box contains the finished door. UF contains the top and bottom panel, a back panel, side panels, back strength panels, drawer bottoms, drawer back panels, kickboard, drawer glides, and hardware box. Place the back panel into the groove of one side panel. Screw through the side panel into the back panel. Now do the same with the other side panel. And now flip the cabinet onto the back panel. Place dowels into the bottom panel and install it as such. Now place dowels into both the middle and top strength panel, screwing them through the side panels. Install the kickboard into the notch section. Flip your cabinet right side up and screw through the back panel into the bottom panel. Now it's time to install the drawer glides. Screw through the first hole of each bracket into the pre-drilled holes on the frame. Install both sets of tracks, and now for your drawer itself. Take the drawer side panel and turn this screw, releasing the drawer face connector. Take the drawer connectors and install them on either side of the drawer face, screwing through the pre-drilled holes. Remove the strength bar connector from the strength bar and screw it to the drawer face as such. Now set your drawer panel into its connector. Slide the bottom panel and screw the drawer side panel into the bottom panel. Next, slide your back panel brackets into place and slide in your back drawer panel. Screw the back panel into place. Now attach the strength bar to the connector and back panel bracket. Now to install the drawers. Slide the drawer glides out and place the drawers and shove it with some force. This locks your drawer into place. Then you can place screws underneath the frame to completely secure the drawer into place. This screw moves the position of the drawer left to right, and this screw positions it up and down to ensure the reveals of the drawer are consistent. Don't forget to clean your cabinet. A clean cabinet is a happy cabinet. One Euro-style DB24 drawer base cabinet ready for installation.